away from Pele, and he's lost it here. Here's De Boer, make it 1-0. Has he put enough on it? No, he hasn't. Casually and calmly, the ball is cleared away by Rami.
Oh, that's given away to Theo Walcott. Awful error, and it's punished clinically by Walcott, but it's a real gift of a goal.